Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the LCD clock. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the clock. Let's take a look at the manual. Now you have two options to power the clock. You can either use 3 AAA batteries, or you can use a wall charger. Okay, so I'm going to install 3 AAA batteries. Okay, so the clock starts to sound as soon as you install the batteries. Now you have an option of turning the talking part off. There's the mode button, minute sound, and hour. So that's how you set the time. Now when you push this button, the LED will shine on the ceiling. So you'll see the time here being displayed on the ceiling. So I'm going to turn the light off, and let's do that now. Okay, so I'm going to let that go. It still shines. It's going to for a short period of time, and then it's going to go off. Just point the camera so you'll see. See, that just went off. It goes off after a short period of time, so I'm going to press it again. And there you go. It's shining on the ceiling. You can see the time right there. When you push the top, the clock itself also has a background light that goes on so you can see the time. And over here you have the temperature. So there's the clock and there's the temperature. Now I'm going to turn talking on. So when I push this button, the clock is going to shine the time on the ceiling. Okay, so now the talking is activated. When you press it down, it's going to shine the light, and also it's going to tell you the time and the temperature.
12:05 a.m., 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now this also moves, so you can point this to another direction that you want. So it goes up and down.
12:05 a.m., 68. 12:05 a.m., 68 degrees Fahrenheit. 12:05 a.m., 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
So to set the time, you simply just tap the hour to a 12 or 24 hour format. So this would be 24 hours, and this is 12 hours. Now to set the time, go to mode. Now go to hour.
1 a.m.
So if you want to set it to 1 a.m., you just press the hour, keep pressing it to the desired hour. Now after it makes a chime, it means it's set, so you have to go to mode again. Then go to hour again. It has to be flashing in order to change it. So go to hour.
2.
That's how you change it. While it's still flashing, you can change the minutes.
07. 08.
So that's how you change it. And you can leave it flashing. It's going to make a chime, and then it's going to be set. Or you could just press mode again. Okay, now press mode again. Here's where you can set the alarm. Press mode again. Now to set the alarm setting, just press sound. You can press it again to choose a different sound. Press it again. And that's it. That's how you set the alarm sound. Now to change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa, press and hold down the arrow button for about 3 seconds. Okay, now it's at Celsius. To change it back to Fahrenheit, press and hold down the arrow button for about 3 seconds. And now it's set to Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'm going to install the battery cover. Okay, so there you go. This was an instructional tutorial, review and unboxing of the LED clock. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.